In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your videos in CapCut with best settings. First, make sure all clips, audio, text, and transitions are placed on the timeline exactly how you want the final video. Scrub through once to confirm nothing's misaligned.
In CapCut PC, the Export button is in the top right corner of the editor. Clicking it opens the Export Settings panel. Under Resolution, choose 1080p minimum, matches your OBS recording spec and YouTube's preferred upload quality frames. Keep the frame rate the same as your OBS recording, usually 30 FPS or 60 FPS, to avoid judder or CapCut re-interpolating frames. Setting the format to MP4 with H.264, which is YouTube's recommended upload format. Smaller file size with no meaningful quality loss versus MOV. Click the folder path next to the file name field and pick a dedicated output folder, so finished videos don't get mixed up with raw footage. CapCut renders the full timeline. Time depends on video length and your GPU. A 7+ minute 1080p video typically takes a few minutes on decent hardware. And that's it. Your video is now exported and ready to get published. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe for more helpful tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.